First up on the bulletin, let's tell you how the recent death sentence passed by a Qatar court against 8 former Indian Navy personnel has stirred up a hornet's nest. India has expressed shock over the verdict and is in touch with the Qatari authorities. It has vowed to explore all the legal options to secure the release of these citizens. Now, these 8 men, this includes decorated officers who commanded major Indian warships, were employed by a private firm that had provided training and related services to Qatar's armed forces as well as security agencies. Expressing shock, the Ministry of External Affairs has said that it is closely monitoring the case as it holds high significance. They have also reassured that the consular acceptance and assistance is going to be provided to those who have been arrested. Furthermore, India has also firmly stated that it will be taking up the matter with the Qatari authorities and ensure that appropriate measures are being taken to address the issue. Opposition MPs, meanwhile, have accused the government of neglecting the issue for over a year. They have presented video clips of themselves raising the matter in Parliament as well. They have alleged that Prime Minister Modi brags about his popularity amongst Islamic nations, so he should retrieve the jailed people. On the other hand, Congress believes that the centre and the foreign minister have never taken the request of the family members seriously, which is tragic. Listen in to what they had said in the Parliament earlier.
सर, कुलभूषण जाधव कहां है? पाकिस्तान में बैठा है, आप क्यों नहीं लेके आते? आप विश्वगुरु कहते हैं, कुलभूषण जाधव को भूल गए आप? कतर में 8 नेवी ऑफिसर 1 साल से जेल में हैं, आप नहीं ला सके उनको?
एक पड़ोसी देश में हमारे 8 सेवानिवृत्त नौसेना के अधिकारी अगर 120 दिन से ज्यादा सॉलिटरी कंफाइनमेंट में हो और ना उनको बताया गया, ना उनके परिवारों को बताया गया और शायद भारतीय दूतावास को भी नहीं बताया गया कि उनके खिलाफ क्या आरोप है, ये बहुत ही एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है। मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार से अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि कतर की सरकार के साथ इस मामले को तुरंत उठाया जाए और ये जो 8 लोग हैं इनको रिहा कराकर हिंदुस्तान वापस लाया जाए।
Well, the news came as a hammer blow to the kin of those given death sentences. They say that the government has assured them that it is following the case very closely.
तो गवर्नमेंट से कोई कम्युनिकेशन आपका इस बारे में हो रहा है क्या?
गवर्नमेंट से कोई कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हुआ। गवर्नमेंट से कम्युनिकेशन जो हुआ था 7 दिन पहले, वो जो थर्सडे को, लास्ट थर्सडे को उनके MIA के जो प्रवक्ता थे उन्होंने कहा था कि गवर्नमेंट इसमें बहुत इनिशिएटिव ले रही है, डायरेक्ट बात कर रही है। उसके बाद कोई हमको तो ऐसा लग ही नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, क्योंकि एलिगेशन भी अभी तक कोई डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर रहे हैं। वो जहाँ तक हमें जानकारी है कि ऐसा कुछ कार्य भी नहीं है कि जो अगेंस्ट किया गया हो।
अब तक आपको क्या पता चला है कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, कुछ नहीं कह सकता यार।
अच्छा,
हमारे लिए तो बड़ा।
Meanwhile, External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar has spoken earlier on this issue. This is what he had to say.
This is a very sensitive case. I'm referring to the detention of some of our ex-servicemen in Qatar. I can only say, because their interests are foremost in our minds, I can only assure him we have been seized of the matter. Our ambassador, senior officials have been in continuous touch with the Qatari government on this. Our effort is obviously to ensure that they are not treated unfairly and that if the sooner we can bring them back home. So I assure you that they are very much, very strongly in our priorities in respect of Qatar, and it is something that we will be pursuing.
However,